Welcome to Forex Tester Online. My name is Jack, and today I'm going to guide you through one of the most money-saving features that you can find in Forex Tester, and that is the testing prop firms with all the rules that you want. So instead of wasting money by doing challenges, you can do them directly in Forex Tester to see if your strategy is actually profitable in the prop firms, because as you know, it's not the same being profitable in real market conditions like you have your own account as being profitable in actually prop firms that they have some rules that we need to meet. So said this, let's dive in. So once we're in the dashboard of Forex Tester, basically we can see that obviously we've got recommended scenarios, so we want to try our strategy there, but our main focus is going to come here to prop challenge. Okay, by clicking on here, you'll be able to see that we got the instant funding already integrated inside if we want to use their rules, or we can use a custom challenge if we're not using instant funding. So if we click on here, we can basically see that I'm going to test on the euro dollar, and obviously you know that Forex Tester Online has got loads of assets, so you can choose any one. And let's say I'm going to go with a $10,000 account, so in this case a challenge. So here I'm just going to put test 4, and in the trading period we can trade from 2003 to 2025. Obviously I'm interested to see how it works in this year, so I'm going to go to 2025 and I'm going to go to October. Okay, just for the sake of testing this last month of October. So perfect. On the minimum trading days, this will be depending on the challenge. Normally it goes from 3 to 5 days. Some have 10, some have none. In this case, for the sake of the test, we're going to do 3. Okay, so we have 3 minimum trading days. And if we go to profit loss, we have the profit target. In this case, normally it isn't at 8%, but on some prop firms it is at 10%, so it depends on which one you're taking on. Then we have the maximum daily loss, that normally is a 5% in the day, and then we have the maximum total loss, that normally is a 10, sometimes it could be 12, sometimes it could be 8. It will depend on your challenge. If we head below, we got the time zone that we have to set based on where we live, obviously, and then we come to the leverage setup. Normally the prop firms have 1 to 100, depends on which one you're doing, but the average is 1 to 100. So once we got all this done, we can just go here, create project, and there we go. If you see this little symbol here, it's the same one that we got here, means that it is a prop firm challenge. So if we click here to start this challenge, first thing what we'll notice is that we got up here tasks. Okay, if we click on here, we'll be able to see our progress during the challenge. So we got the trading days, we haven't done any, obviously we got 0. Then we got the profit target, as you can see, 8%, and this bar will be filling up when you get your profits. We got the daily loss that you got here, 5%, and the max loss, that is a 10%. So now obviously we'll go to the London session just by clicking here and open London session. And now another super important thing is that we can't go backwards in this backtest. So let's say if I go forward and I want to, hey, my entry was there, I've got to go backwards. I can't. If I try to go backwards, you get this message, cannot step back. So keep that in mind. You got to do it slowly and be careful and take it seriously, because at the end of the day, this is saving you money by doing the challenges here and proving that you can pass the challenge before you actually buy a challenge. So keep that in mind. And let's, for the sake of the test, let's say we got the support and resistance here. So okay, I am going to place a sell. So let's go here, sell. And let's say I'm going to use 1 lot, and let's place the order. So I've got my sell here. I'm going to put my stop loss more or less up here. There'll be a 2%, and my take profit, I'm going to take it down here. So that'll be my initial setup. And now instead of going through, I'm just going to basically click here, go to order close. So as we can see here, we hit the stop loss, and if we go to the tasks, we can see that the profit target is now more far away. We have the 8% plus a minus 2%. So obviously we have a 10% to achieve now. So let's say now, okay, it seems overextended. It's come down. So let's wait a bit more and perhaps we can do a buy down here. So let's press buy here. Same 1 lot, place order. And we're going to go for another 200. So let's say down here, perfect. And now we're going to press our take profit up here, and now we're just basically going to wait for price to react. So we just go here, go to order close, we hit another stop loss, we come to the tasks, we have the daily that we're just about to smash this daily. So what we'd have to do is go to the next day if we don't want to break this. So if we perhaps we go and just go to the next London session, we can see now the tasks, the max daily loss is set to 0 again. So basically you can trade again, but obviously the max loss still stays here. So now we've got this day, we've already been through one day. Okay, this first day here, so now we go to the next one, and let's say we're going to press a sell, and we're going to use take profit down here, more or less at the low, and the stop loss above here, always with risk reward of 1-to-1, and just go to order close. In this case, we hit take profit, we come to profit target, we can see that now it's a -2, and it's not a -4 as it was. So let's say now we're going to press buy because it's gone down. We're going to place the take profit just above here at $250. Stop loss is going to go here, 250, and we just go to order close, and we hit another stop loss. That's fine, that's all right. If we check our max daily loss, we've still got half of it left, so we can continue trading. And as I'm a revenger trading, I'm going to buy another one. So let's say I'm going to buy here, and I'm going to put the take profit right above here because I'm really aggressive and I want to get my money back, and the stop loss is going to go right below here. Okay, so let's say now let's go to order close, hit the take profit, we've got our money back with $25 in profit, and we've gone to the next trading day, so this should be updated here. You can see 2 trading days perfectly, and now I'm going to place another sell because I think it's going to fall. So let's place it here, put take profit right below here because I'm still really aggressive and angry because of yesterday. Let's do this right there, perfect. Go to order close, and hit another take profit because I'm really good at trading. And now basically we're going to buy because I want to buy and I want to pass this challenge as soon as possible. We're on the 3rd day, so with this take profit, let's check here how much we need to get to a profit target. We're at 5%, so we need a 3%, so $300 should match this. So let's go down here, put the stop loss at 300, and basically go to order close, hit another stop loss. It's fine. I'm going to place another buy, put the take profit above here, but let's say the take profit quite aggressive right at the top, another 5, put stop loss right below here, and now just go to order close again, and I've hit the take profit. We're just about to hit the profit target, just 1% remaining, and I think with this last short we can basically hit that. So let's place the order, put take profit just at 100 because that's basically what we need to pass this challenge. Stop loss, we're going to leave it far away to have more probabilities to hit that take profit, and just basically go to order close, and there you go. Then you get this message, congratulations, you have successfully passed the prop trader challenge. So now the thing is that if we would have hit the max daily loss, okay, even if the position isn't closed, you'll get a similar message saying that you didn't pass it, and if you want to restart the backtest. So now we got this, we can basically restart it again if we want to tweak, change, or try anything else, or we can go back to the dashboard to either create a new one in a different asset or things like that. So that said, I hope this video has helped you with your free trial of Forex Tester. I hope you've enjoyed it, you get something out, and obviously take advantage of this because you're doing it completely free. You can do all the challenges you want without paying a single penny. So hope you're all good, and I hope to see you soon.